Hi, I'm Stefan, and in this short K2-based training video, I want to show you how you can draw and design a roof in K2-base. So for this training, I already pre-made a project. So we're starting directly on the roof page. And once you're there, you can then select what type of roof you have. And for this training video, I want to show you two examples. I'm going to do one flat roof and a gable roof. So let's start with the gable roof. So once you click on it, you then have the option of selecting the roof covering for this roof. In this case, I'm going to do that trapezoidal sheet metal roof down here. So I just click on trapezoidal. I just click on trapezoidal, and then I'm going to click on add. And next step is I can start the drawing. And as you can see here, it's not centered, the image. So what I can do, you just click on the right mouse button, hold it, and then you can drag the image. Plus, to make the drawing easier and more precise, you can always scroll in using those buttons down here or with your mouse wheel. So I'm going to start the drawing process down here by clicking on the first part of the eaves. And there's a specific reason for why I'm doing it on the eaves, which I'm going to explain in a second. Then second click defines the lower part, complete eaves, and with a third click, you define the roof. Right? Then you have to enter some building data, in this case, how large is the roof, what's the building height, and the roof pitch. I'd say that's 25 degrees. And as you can see, as soon as you input the roof pitch, that small arrow appears down here, and that arrow indicates the direction of the slope. So if you're not sure what a different thing does, you can always click on those question marks down here. I'm just going to do that here. See, that's exactly what I said in a way easier example with images. And in case you drew it the wrong way, you can always switch that, of course. You just click here, and then the slope direction changes, right? So I'll go back to the one I want to have. And yeah, that's it. Now up to the second example, same principle. I'm going to right click. I'll move the canvas up here so I can start the drawing process. Just going to click on the add new roof button. Now I have the option of either drawing on that roof if I wanted to. You can also upload images. In this case, I want to continue drawing on the satellite image. So I'm just going to click on skip. And we have the dialog we just saw, right? So in this case, I'm going to select flat roof. Now I have two different options I can choose from. I can either draw a polygon roof or a rectangle. And then you select the sheet material. In this case, I'm going to do a membrane flat. Same thing. It's basically 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3, and it's done.